What's happening here? Look at that tiny, small little cub. Hello. Are you still stumbling on your feet? Yeah. You don't play rough with the younger ones. Oh, look at that. Wow, I'm sure we're just seeing them as she started introducing this new member of the pride to the older cubs. Well, we know who's the mother now, and she's trying to grab it by the scruff, probably to carry it around. She's not hurting it. She just has to carry it because it's still a bit too small. I'm so tired. I've been played with for too long.
Are you wild about the wild? Subscribe to Safari Live and experience the wonders of the wilderness. And if you click on the bell below, we'll notify you every time a safari goes live.